Good morning, everyone. Let's have reading CVC words. These are the guidelines for parents teaching CVC. Number one, start with sounds. Focus on letter sounds before letter names. Number two, blend step by steps and say each sound slowly. Then put them together. Cat. Keep it playful. Use games, pictures, or clapping for each sound. Praise effort and celebrate attempts, not just correct answers. Let's read. C-A-T. Cat. 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 This is the cat. S- Sun. S- Sun. S- Sun. This is the sun. The uh, uh, g g the uh, g dog dog the uh, uh, g g dog. This is the dog. Pa uh, uh, mm, mm, pan pa uh, mm, pan. This is the pan. Pa uh, pan. Run. R r r r mm. Run. R uh, uh, run. R uh, uh, run. This is the run. B uh, uh, d d b d bed bed b d d bed. This is the bed. M mm, man man. This is the man. Man. Uh, man. Man. This is the man. M uh, uh, mm, mm, man. Lug. L l o o g g lug. 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 L l l o o g g lug. Hop. Ha ha. Uh, hop. Ha ha. Uh, hop. Ha ha. Uh, hop. This is hop. Wa- uh, uh, t- wet. This is wet. Wet. This is the wet. Wet floor. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.